Congratulations on your purchase of the MAXX Clam Heat Press. Once you have received your press, carefully cut open the shipping carton. Remove the warranty information and power cord. Lift out the form-fitting styrofoam packing material and set aside. 2 people will be needed to lift the MAXX Clam Heat Press. Lift your press out of the box and place it on the surface where you plan to operate it. Plug the power cord into the back of your press and the other end into an outlet that is protected by a dedicated 20 amp breaker. Open your press before turning it on. Turn on the press with the red power switch. The control panel display screen will activate. Now that your MAXX Clam Heat Press is unpacked and set up, you are ready to begin pressing.